Today we're going to be doing a lead water pipe replacement. Bring it across here, we'll go through the wall. Come through down there. Your lead pipe. For you. See if you can spot it. The problem. So what happens when you don't think of what you're doing? Other trades, not us. Dot and dabs, mark that trench on. There must be a leak in the street. If you ever see that in the street, it's telling you that there's a leak. So the Water Authority is going to do this part, and they've advised for a new service to be put in. Nicely borrowed under. That's it backfilled. Liam's going to put them few flags down best he can. I won't be back at this job, so till the next one.